Let's have a chat. Sarika found the act, and you appreciate it.
Uh, um, yeah. Repealed the slavery ceremony repealed by the 1858 57 the क्या कहते हैं I forgot.
As I left the class, KK was here. He was sitting upstairs.
Hmm.
I immediately asked him because he's preparing for
Hmm.
the exam.
Competitive exam, then he must
He
be
was not
knowing.
sure. I asked who abolished this system, slavery system. He said, Sir, any particular person did not abolish. The
Hmm.
British government abolished it. He was not sure, but after watching Sarika's post, now we have been sure that Britishers.
Britishers. Britishers abolished slavery system.
Uh, Ritu will join from Monday.
Yes, sir. Ritu will join from Monday. Sarika is there. We are three now. And Renu Bhabi.
Good afternoon, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm late today.
No problem because nowadays I have already sent a link 5 minutes late. 12:35 I sent a link. Firstly have a chit chat, later on I will start.
Yes, sir. Sarika, you have given the information about the abolished slavery system. I appreciate it in the group. And sir
Thank you.
was talking about that. And sir also was talking about that. Means after the class, he no KK was there with him, and he KK is preparing for the competitive exam, na, so he must be knowing this thing. So sir asked him. So he said this thing ki a particular one person did not do this. British government did this. So this was we were chatting. We were chatting, sir and I. Okay,
Okay.
Poonam, should I give you a verb?
Yes, Aparna, you start.
Okay. Sarika, नहीं पूनम आई एम गिविंग यू अ वर्ब मजबूर करना compile compel मजबूर करना that is मजबूर करना सारिका your verb is dominate करना यानी दादागिरी करना प्रभुत्व देना प्रभुत्व करना और my verb is encroach and encroach अतिक्रमण करना
Should I start?
हाँ हाँ पूनम
Um, My kids have compelled me to shout.
Same here.
Very true. Otherwise, so we are very nice guy, no?
We want to
They
remain cool
compel
and
us.
calm, but
They
they,
compel us to do this.
हाँ,
Okay. have have my kids compelled me to shout? Yes, they have compelled me to shout. Um, um, why have they compelled me to shout? वो मुझे चिल्लाने पर मजबूर क्यों करते हैं? हम
Sorry for your Hindi.
ओके
Come making present for.
ओके why have my kids compelled me to shout? मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे चिल्लाने पे मजबूर क्यों किया? करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं?
नहीं किया, क्यों किया
किया,
है?
क्यों किया है? ओके, ऑल आर डन.
Hmm. Sarika, dominate.
okay. So I have to make present perfect tense sentence or anything.
हाँ भाई सर said ना कि for क्या कहते हैं
Practicing. Okay, okay.
passive wise third form. In this way we can use third form.
हाँ. Uh, has Reena dominated to her sister her sister when she was a kid. जब वह छोटी थी तो क्या रीना ने अपनी बहन को छोटी बहन को डोमिनेट किया? Yes, she had dominated her sister when she was kid. She was a kid. हाँ, उसने अपनी बहन को डोमिनेट किया जब वह छोटी थी. So how can we say कि she has dominated to her sister? Because I am the witness of this thing कि she has dominated her sister when she was young. मैंने देखा है, मैं witness हूँ, मैं गवाह हूँ. So how has she dominated her sister? She has dominated her sister because she is older than her. So she always tried to order her, and she wanted to this thing ki she always listen to her thing every time, but it is not very practical na. She is young, but matlab she is younger sister, but it's not her right ki she has dominated every time. She could guide him, she could advise him, but she couldn't she shouldn't dominate her. उसको नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसे, पर उसने किया, वो करती थी ऐसे. Reena is a only imaginary character in my mind, suddenly came in my mind, and I made the sentence based on Reena. I don't know who is Reena.
Reena is Bhabhi's daughter. Anu Bhabhi's daughter. Reena.
Okay, I don't know who is Hannu Bhabhi. In fact, Reena, suddenly one name came in my mind and I made a sentence.
Are all done, ladies?
Aparna di is rest to make sentences.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm rest. I was speaking one call. My verb is encroach. So the China has had been encroaching our country for a long years. चाइना बहुत सालों से हमारी कंट्री में encroachment कर रहा था. Had China had China been encroaching in our country? क्या चाइना हमारी कंट्री में अतिक्रमण कर रहा था for a long years, कई सालों से? Yes, he is. China had been encroaching for a long years. Why had China been encroaching our country for a long years? He had been encroaching our country for long years because for enlarge his country. I think so.
There,
Yes, sir. All are done.
Poonam asked first question to Sarika.
ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट थी हम लोग के लिए. बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट वर्ब है. We use daily this verb, but we don't know what should be the verb for this. कपड़े डाल.
Sarika,
Ask
what should be the verb for kapde dalna?
Bhabi, the verb should be kapde dalna. Line on rope. Aparna di, what should be the second form of line on rope?
the second form of line on should be lined on. Line on rope है.
No.
Only line on. I said line on. What should be the third form of lined on?
The third form of line on should be lined on. Okay. What should be the verb for kapde uthana, Sarika?
Bhabi, the verb for kapde uthana should be line off. Line out.
On out.
Aparna di, what should be the second form of line out?
The second form of line out should be lined out. What should be the third form of line out? Who know?
चलो इस बार हम जवाब दे देते हैं, फिर पूनम से पूछ लेंगे. The third form of line out should be lined out. Poonam, what should be the verb for बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीना? Sarika, you can answer.
Heavy drink, sir. The verb for बहुत ज़्यादा शराब पीना should be heavy drink. No. Booze.
Second question.
Okay. What should be the second form of booze, Sarika?
Bhabi, the second form of booze should be boozed. Aparna di, what should be the third form of booze?
The third form of boost should be boost. What should be the verb for प्रचार करना पूनम?
The verb for प्रचार करना should be publicity. No. Canvas. Okay. The verb for प्रचार करना should is canvas. What should be the second form of canvas, Sarika?
Bhabhi, the second form of canvas should be canvas. Aparna di, what should be the third form of canvas?
The third form of canvas should be canvassed. What is canvas, पूनम?
Canvas is a verb for प्रचार करना.
Sarika will answer.
Bhabhi, the canvas is a noun. Poonam Bhabhi, what should be the meaning of canvas?
Okay. The meaning of canvas is प्रचार करना. Okay.
करना लगे तो फिर वो वर्ब हो जाएगी. आप चलो हम उत्तर दे देते हैं. मीनिंग ऑफ कैनवास इज मोटा कपड़ा.
Okay.
I think she's closing again and again. Maybe somebody is there or talking busy something. She's not focused. Okay. Now I'm asking a very regular question. I'm starting with Aparna. Aparna, have you lined out the lined on outfits?
Yes, sir.
Have you lined out the lined in outfits?
No, sir. In fact, I could not line on so far.
You did not listen me carefully.
I know you have said I have lined on out my lined on outfit.
क्या तुमने रस्सी पर डले हुए कपड़े उठा लिए हैं?
हाँ सर, मैंने रस्सी पे डले हुए कपड़े उठा लिए. That's why I'm saying I could not line out so far. When do you line on your clothes and outfit, Poonam?
When they get dry, then I line on.
When do you line on?
When do you? In the afternoon.
ये जो वैन लगाने की आदत है इसके बारे में बताया था बच्चों ने. फिर हमें देन लगाना पड़ता वहां दूसरी बार मजबूरी में और फिर सब गड़बड़ हो जाता है. नहीं बताया. ओके. ये इफ और व्हेन जैसा ही प्रयोग है इसका भी. इसमें सेंटेंस को अपसाइड डाउन कर दो या इंटरचेंज कर दो तो ये जो देन लगता है ना हिंदी मीडियम वाला, ये नहीं लगेगा. ये आंसर ऐसा हो जाएगा बड़े अच्छे से. आई लाइन आउट देम व्हेन दे आर ड्राई. बीच में लगता है तो बड़ा खूबसूरत लगता है.
Poonam, did you line on your outfit?
Yes, I lined on my outfits.
क्या आपने अपने कपड़े रस्सी पे डाल दिए?
हाँ अपर्णा, मैंने अपने कपड़े रस्सी पर
Or we
डाल
can
दिए।
say laundry. Did you lined on your laundry? Can we say, है ना?
Yes, I lined on my laundry.
क्या आपने धुले कपड़े रस्सी पे डाल दिए?
हाँ, मैंने अपने धुले कपड़े रस्सी पर डाल दिए हैं। ओके। सारिका, do you line on your outfits or your maid lined on?
Bhabhi, every time I line on my outfits, not my maid.
सारिका, आप अपने कपड़े रस्सी पर आप डालती हैं या आपकी मेड डालती है?
भाभी मैं हमेशा मैं ही रस्सी पर अपने कपड़े डालती हूँ, मेड नहीं डालती। अपर्णा दी, हैव यू लाइंड ऑन, नहीं, वेयर हैव यू लाइंड ऑन माय रेड कुर्ती?
I lined on your red kurti on my wardrobe. Complete the process. Where
नहीं,
did
आप
where कहाँ डाली है?
हाँ, कहाँ डाली है?
wardrobe पे डाली है, wardrobe में डाली।
नहीं, मतलब आपने सुखाने के लिए कहाँ डाली? टेरेस पे कि बालकनी में? ऐसे पूछ
You
रही हूँ।
asked me your kurti,
हाँ,
my kurti.
नहीं
तो
नहीं
your kurti तो मैंने उसमें डाल दी।
It is actually confusing. Lined on
नहीं,
means रस्सी
सुखा,
पर डालना ना, रस्सी पर।
हाँ,
तो we cannot say
जैसे,
कि wardrobe ना।
हाँ, जैसे आप मेरे घर आई हैं या मैं आपके घर आई हूँ और मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि दी मेरी वो कुर्ती मतलब सुखाने के लिए आपने कहाँ डाल दी है? जैसे सपोज हम आपके यहाँ हैं, तो आप ही
On the
बताएंगे ना
terrace.
कि वो,
On the
हाँ,
terrace. I have lined on your kurti, red kurti on the terrace. I was thinking कि where did you keep or like this, so I told you in my wardrobe.
अच्छा,
डाल दी। Okay. Next question. Lined out. Who lined out your laundry, Poonam?
I line out my laundry, Aparna.
आपकी लॉन्ड्री कौन उठाता है?
अपर्णा, मेरी लॉन्ड्री मैं ही उठाती हूँ। सारिका,
हाँ भाभी।
have you lined out your laundry?
No भाभी, not yet. I haven't lined out my laundry.
सारिका, क्या आपने अपनी लॉन्ड्री उठा ली है रस्सी से?
नहीं भाभी, मैंने अभी तक अपने सूखे हुए कपड़े रस्सी पे से नहीं उठाए हैं। सर, ये केवल कपड़ों के लिए ही बोलेंगे? मतलब कोई दूसरी चीज सुखाना है उसके लिए नहीं? रस्सी पे तो खैर जैसे हम जूते भी डाल देते हैं ना कई बार, वो भी बोल सकते हैं उसमें, पर रस्सी पे नहीं डालते ना।
one more place you can use it, but in the dark room for photo exposure.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
Line on
हाँ,
all the
फोटो स्टूडियो।
photographs.
नेगेटिव, हाँ नेगेटिव।
Negatives. Line all the negatives properly. Now line out all the negatives.
हाँ, Aparna ji, your assistant lined out all the photographs in the from the lab.
Yes, Sarika, my assistant lined out all the photographs.
अ, दी, आपके असिस्टेंट ने सारी फोटोज लैब से
From
मतलब
lab. हाँ
निकाल लिए,
हाँ
लैब
सारिका,
में
मेरे
थी।
assistant lab से निकाल लिए। बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीना। Boozing is injurious to health, cause of cancer. बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीना स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक है।
Poonam, do you know anybody who boozes all the time?
Sir, celebrate most of the time celebrities boozes all the time.
क्या आप किसी को जानती हैं जो पूरे समय शराब पीता रहता है?
So celebrities जो हैं वो most of ज़्यादातर शराब पीते रहते हैं. Okay. Sarika, uh, is is the habit of booze injurious to health?
Habit of
क्या
booze is
भाभी?
wrong.
Is booze
कोई बताएगा वर्ब को नाउन कैसे बनाना है?
boozing, yes.
Boozing.
Is boozing injurious to health?
Yes, भाभी, definitely boozing is injurious to health.
सारिका, क्या बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीना सेहत के लिए हानिकारक है?
हाँ भाभी, बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीना सेहत हानिकारक है। अपर्णा दी, what do you think should any person drive the car after boozing?
No, Sarika, definitely not. It is very dangerous. Should not oozing. Should not ooze while the driving. He should not ooze
दी,
while
आपको
the
क्या
driving.
लगता है कि हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीकर किसी को भी गाड़ी चलानी चाहिए,
नहीं
किसी भी
सारिका,
व्यक्ति को?
बिल्कुल नहीं। बहुत ही खतरनाक है। शराब पीकर, बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीकर गाड़ी कभी नहीं चलानी चाहिए, कभी नहीं।
I
What
have got
would you?
one. I have got one sentence. Uh, Nowadays, youngsters booze and dance whole the night in pubs in metro cities. आजकल महानगरों में पब्स में युवा खूब खूब शराब पीते हैं और रात भर डांस करते हैं.
And they think that they have their high, they belongs to high society, belong to.
Perfumes
They
journal.
feel they are so cool. मतलब they pretend कि they are so cool and trendy and fashionable and modern, and they don't know कि they are bloody fools actually.
Even today ladies are also like feel high society if they are boozing.
I witnessed my kitty's friend. They are doing like this.
My
I have
neighbor.
a question. So, should I? I'm a WH for sentence. For what did he booze?
To whom are you asking?
Poonam?
Yes, he boozed.
नहीं, उसने
Okay,
इतनी
okay,
ज्यादा
wait. I'm answering. He boozed because he just got a breakup.
उसने इतनी ज्यादा शराब क्यों पी है?
उसका अभी ब्रेकअप हुआ था इसलिए उसने खूब सारी शराब पी ली. अब पूनम से एक सवाल करते, बड़ा प्रैक्टिकल है. 2 लेटर में पूरा हो जाता है ये। चाहो तो यस में आंसर देना, नो में। ओ कम ऑन पूनम, हैव यू बूस्ट?
नो सर, नॉट एट ऑल।
अब हिंदी सुनना। पूनम, क्या तुमने ज्यादा चढ़ा रखी है?
नहीं सर, बिल्कुल नहीं।
अब
थोड़ी सी
ऐसा
चढ़ाई।
बोला जाता है, किसी को भी बोलते ना ज्यादा चढ़ा रखी है, लाइक दिस। तो वो ज्यादा इसमें ऑलरेडी आ गया ज्यादा, तो बस 2 लेटर में बन जाएगा, हैव यू बूस्ट?
जैसे अपन लोग समवेयर भी ना कि ओ माय गॉड दिस मैन इज ही इज बूज्ड, है ना, लाइक गो समवेयर एल्स ही इज
सॉन्ग
सो।
में भी है, किसी सॉन्ग में भी है, आजकल के बहुत सारे गानों में है। लेकिन वो इतने जल्दी जल्दी बोले जाते हैं कि समझ में नहीं आते, कभी कभी लिखा आता तब समझ में आता है।
Sir, I heard this word first time, booze.
हाँ, ड्रंकर ऐसा हैव हर्ड।
मतलब most of the time ना so many words which you are given us ना, so those are very new for me.
अरे शायद उस गाने में सुनना, ब्लू है पानी 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 पानी, मेलोडी के बीच पर बूझ, लाइक ऐसा कुछ है उसमें। ओके। Sarika, which company is canvassing nowadays?
Sir, Adani is canvassing nowadays.
आजकल कौन सी कंपनी प्रचार कर रही है?
सर, अडानी ग्रुप इज आजकल प्रचार कर रहा है। दी अपर्णा दी, कैन यू कैनवास, मतलब बीजेपी का प्रचार करने के लिए आप कैन यू कैनवास बीजेपी इन योर एरिया?
फॉर कैनवास फॉर बीजेपी।
हाँ, कैन यू कैनवास फॉर बीजेपी इन योर एरिया?
Definitely, I can canvass for BJP in my area anytime.
दी, क्या आप बीजेपी के लिए अपने क्षेत्र में प्रचार कर सकती हैं?
बिल्कुल, मैं अपने बीजेपी के लिए अपने क्षेत्र में प्रचार कर सकती हूँ। पूनम, डू योर कंपनी कैनवास?
Does your company?
अच्छा, डज योर कंपनी कैनवास?
Yes, my company canvases.
क्या आपकी कंपनी प्रचार करती है?
हाँ, मेरी कंपनी प्रचार करती है। सारिका, do you like to do canvas?
डू यू लाइक टू?
Do canvas बोलेंगे सर कि do you like to canvas?
कैनवास इज अ वर्ब ना, सो यू कैन टेक डायरेक्टली।
Do you like to canvas?
हाँ, क्या पसंद करना?
हाँ, मुझे वो डू सुनाई दे रहा था टू की जगह।
Do you like canvas?
यस भाभी, आई लाइक टू कैनवास इफ प्रोडक्ट इज beneficial for everything, or if something is very interesting, so otherwise I don't canvas. I
सारिका,
don't like to canvas.
सारिका आपको प्रचार करना अच्छा पसंद है या अच्छा लगता है?
नहीं भाभी, अगर कोई चीज अच्छी है तो उसका प्रचार करना पसंद है, वैसे मुझे प्रचार करना पसंद नहीं है। मतलब ओके ओके।
Okay, who has to make the first sentence? मैं उसकी जान जोखिम में नहीं डालूंगा।
I was mute and I was telling. I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to future simple. I think all are speaking. Kya? नहीं. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is I. Later on, I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is will. It is a negative, no? Negative. Then I will take the negative word, and the negative word is not. Mm, Uh, then I will take the uh, object. नहीं क्या her her क्या होगा? Yes, these
सब्जेक्ट के
all.
बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब और फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद
अच्छा verb आएगी हाँ. नहीं मैं I will not her in dangerous I think. So this is the नहीं हाँ. The first one, then I will take the first form of the verb, and the first form of the verb is put. Yeah.
पूनम, will you suggest?
So I will not put him या put her in
सारिका,
danger.
सर आई वाज थिंकिंग कि आई एम गोइंग टू आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू प्ले हिज लाइफ लाइक
With her.
इसको बोल दो पढ़ना।
I will not risk his life.
नहीं,
अच्छा. Risk. The second form of risk should be risked.
ये
Risked.
बोल दो।
I will not risk his life. Then I will take the possessive adjective, and the possessive adjective is his. Then I will take the object, and the object is life. I will not risk his life.
अलग अलग चैप्टर में बना देना। आई एम मेकिंग फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, समटाइम्स दे रिस्क देयर लाइफ फॉर एडवेंचर। कभी कभी वो रोमांच के चक्कर में अपने जीवन खतरे में डाल देते हैं। समटाइम्स दे रिस्क देयर लाइफ फॉर एडवेंचर।
Again,
आई
youngest
कांट
risk their life for taking selfie. हाँ सारिका।
हाँ, दे कांट रिस्क देयर लाइफ ड्यू टू ड्यू टू देयर पैशन। वो अपने पैशन के कारण उनकी लाइफ रिस्क में नहीं डाल सकते।
Most of the youngsters risk their life for taking सेल्फी। बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स सेल्फी लेने के चक्कर में अपनी लाइफ जान जोखिम में डालते हैं। पूनम?
Most of the time, boozers take risk their life, take their life on risk. ऐसा बोलेंगे सर? Sometimes boozers take risk on their life.
You are using take as a verb,
Okay.
life as a noun, risk as a noun.
Boozers risk on their life. Boozers risk on their life. Risk on his life. I don't know, sir, what to say.
If the subject is singular number,
Boozers,
we
sir,
use
I am saying शराब पीने वाले, बहुत ज्यादा शराब पीने वाले, तो it's plural.
singular or plural. Is it singular or plural?
Sir, generally we are talking about like कि शराब पीने वाले, so it should be plural, ना?
Sarika, what should be the possessive adjective for plural?
देयर सर।
So the sentence should be boozers risk their life.
Okay. Now who has to make this sentence?
तुम कितने डरपोक हो। सर, आई हैव टू मेक दिस सेंटेंस। दिस सेंटेंस बिलोंग्स टू बी प्रेजेंट and it is a WH sentence. Firstly, I will take the WH clause है sir, how coward you are. ऐसे
Clause है।
है ना? फिर how coward
पूछ
you
तो रहे
are.
नहीं है। We are not asking,
Clause
पूछ
है।
तो रहे नहीं है, है ना? तो ये clause ही
जी।
है।
So how coward you are.
एक तो ये तरीका हो गया। अब चेक करते हैं पूनम इसको कैसे बनाते हैं।
So actually this sentence, WH sentence, how coward are you?
Let's see how Aparna makes it.
You are so coward. तुम कितने डरपोक हो यार। सो दैट यू आर सच विम।
You are such a
एक लाइन से यही सेम सेंटेंस बोलना, फिर अपन क्रिएटिविटी करेंगे। सारिका,
You are such a wimp. तुम कितने डरपोक हो। अपर्णा दी।
चिमू इज सच अ विम। चिमू बहुत डरपोक है। चिमू तुम कितने डरपोक हो। सिंप नहीं विम। सच अ विम। पूनम?
Okay. Liar people are always wimp. लायर जो झूठे लोग होते हैं वो डरपोक होते हैं, होगा ऐसा?
Now, if you want to do some creativity,
Sir, should I?
please.
One day, Rudraksh was watching horror movie with his friends at my place. So one of the little girl also watching that movie was watching that movie with them. So she was scared. So all the buddies were saying कि you are such a wimp, Sharu. तुम कितनी डरपोक हो, Sharu. So she cried and she came to me, Auntie. They are saying you are such a wimp.
Hmm. Um, the
One of my incident also, when my elder son was 2 years old. That time a horror show was coming on G channel. So and one more horror show was coming. Uh, so my elder co-sister, she always makes मतलब सब उसको डर दिखाती थी, तो डराती थी वो, मतलब
She
the
used
horror
to
show.
scare.
She used to dare. Should she used to make him dare. डराती थी सब.
Sarika will repeat.
She used to scare.
Scare. Okay. She used to scare to my son, uh, but in front of family, she always said to my son that you are such a wimp. But this scare uh, was very um, actually it was not good for him. And when he as he was growing, but his mm, scares was increasing day by day. And when
His fear was increasing.
his scare was increasing.
His fear was
Okay,
increasing.
fear was increasing. And at last I needed to help of a counselor to free from his to get him free from scare.
we
Is it
ladies, we
real
know the
incident?
mother's situation.
Yes, it is real incident.
Oh my God.
Even he was not going to toilet alone. Whenever he was alone at home, he didn't want to stay home at alone or in a room only, not a home, because we were in joint family. But in single room, he didn't want to live alone, stay alone. So now he is okay, but this horror show was very dangerous for him. And she always matlab, she also she all that she did na, my co-sister, unknowingly she did it all that. But it was very heavy for me to make my child free from that fear.
Same thing is happening with my son. He's also so he's also afraid of the things ghost, and he doesn't go alone in bathroom after watching, especially after watching horror movie as well. But still he is means this fear of I can say it went up to because of me. I was also risk. Okay. I was also क्या such a wing such a whim. So that's why I think he is also.
Okay, the next sentence is वह तुम पर लाइन मार रहा है.
I think it's Poonam Gona.
पूनम go.
Sir, I'm not free actually. Someone has come to my house.
Okay.
Sir, should I make?
So I'm
Yes.
okay. Fine.
Okay. वह तुम पर लाइन मार रहा है. This
Let me
sentence
try, then you can make.
nowadays not able to make any sentences.
No, last time you made na. That's it. Okay, you go. You
Okay,
carry on.
okay. After you.
I'm also trying to make. When I will not be able to do. So then you can. यह वह तुम पर लाइन मार रहा है. I don't know what is the word for line marna. uh, yeah, the sentence. I have to make this sentence. This sentence belongs to present continuous. Then if it's an affirmative sentence, firstly I will take the first subject, and the subject is he. Then I will take the helping verb, and the helping verb is. Then I will take the first form of the verb with the help of ing, and the word is hitting on. Then lastly I will take the object, and the object is me, you. Okay. वह तुम पर लाइन hitting
Sarika, who is hitting on her?
on. अच्छा, hitting on.
Sir, one of the street boy is hitting on her.
उस पर कौन लाइन मार रहा है?
सर, एक सड़क छाप लड़का उस पर लाइन मार रहा है. अपर्णा दी, who is hitting on who is hitting on him?
A boozer is hitting on her.
Him.
Her.
No, it's okay. Nowadays, शुभ मंगल ज्यादा सावधान भी होने लगा.
We are watching the blind spot na, so in there is a man is having another husband, and wife, girl is having another wife, same gender is. This is called क्या? Lesbians.
Sir, I was thinking the verb approach here. He is approaching you.
This verb is used in series nowadays. They are using this verb. I have got it from the series.
जी, अप्रोच शायद अच्छे उसमें यूज होता होगा ना, कि हम वो उनको अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, अच्छे मीट है ना. ये मतलब खराब उसमें है.
नहीं,
हाँ.
ऐसा नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नहीं है. If you have heard about approach, it's okay. Have you heard or seen?
No, sir. I
Guessing.
haven't. I was just guessing the word approach.
I have seen this so many times. I have seen.
Approach.
Aparna.
Approach word I heard many times saying by the celebrities ki fala fala director approached me for this movie and
हाँ, उस तरह से सुना है मैंने, पर ये लाइन मारने के उससे नहीं पता था मुझे, तो मैं
first
गैस
time
कर रही थी केवल।
this is the
हाँ
news.
हाँ।
Poonam, when you were in college, so somebody hit it on you.
No, Aparna, no one hit it
Anybody
on
hit
me.
it? हाँ.
Okay.
जब तुम कॉलेज में थी तो क्या कोई लाइन मारता था?
नहीं अपर्णा, मुझ पर कोई लाइन नहीं मारता था।
She is blushing.
Okay, Sarika, when you got engaged, did Jijaji hit it on you?
I think Bhabhi, after engagement there is no need to hitting on. So no, not at all.
This is today's idiom. Aparna?
I will burn the midnight oil. मैं दिन रात एक कर दूंगा. It's just like I leave no stone unturned. मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will burn midnight oil. Okay. Sarika.
I will burn the midnight oil. मैं दिन रात एक कर दूंगी. पूनम भाभी?
I will burn the midnight oil. मैं दिन रात एक कर दूंगी. To reach on my goal.
Now we are concluding, ladies. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow,
Thank
not
you, sir.
tomorrow, Monday. And I hope we will start passive voice from Monday.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend.
Aparna, Sarika,
हाँ.
do you have that video whom you both have done passive voice?
हाँ, I will give you. You don't have.
Actually, I have to check na so many videos are there, no? So I want that particular video of passive voice you have done
I
in
will
boards,
give
na?
you.
So you
But
send
it
me.
was just demonstration.
Hmm.
Like nothing else. I will tell you. I will give you right
Because
now.
yesterday I also asked to sir, then he also said he will inform to ma'am. Because I was asking for that serial number, any serial number for that video. So he said directly, ma'am will send me or you. है ना? तो
ठीक है. What was the Hindi mean? I will burn the midnight oil. मैं दिन रात
एक कर दूंगी.
कर दूंगा. भूल जाती हूँ.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.